Alright, we have our clutch basket assembly here. These are the old ones, and of course these are the new ones. Take the top, center clutch, place it to the side, and we can just take that apart. All our old clutches. Put the retainer back in. Now, I like to be organized, so on your fiber clutches, you have these little index marks. What I usually do is put these index marks facing upwards and put all the index marks lined with each other. So we start with a fiber clutch first, and on your steel plates you have a rounded edge side and a smooth flat edge side. The smooth flat edge side always goes face down. And you repeat this process till your clutch basket is fully built. And just to try to help you out whenever you go to put your center clutch on, when you do drop your steel plates into the basket, try to line all of these teeth up with the teeth inside the basket as well. Now you ain't gonna be able to get it perfect because I still have trouble from time to time, but most of the time they do slip in with no problem. Alright, that's the last of the steel plates and the last of the fiber clutches. Now, here we go. I'm going to wipe the oil off my hands real quick, because sometimes this can be pretty tricky to put back on, especially with slippery hands. Okay, take your center clutch. You want to try to line your splines up. And if it doesn't push down, then you slowly twist on back and forth until your steel plates do line up. It can take some time. And you may have some that shifted to the left or shifted to the right. You just got to play with it until they do slip all the way down. This is where it starts to get tough. Okay, so now we'll grab the fork post that's inside. Keep turning it while our fingertips provide pressure on the inside of this center clutch. Let it slowly drop down. Almost there. One or two more steel plates clearing, and it should be sitting flat. One more. Last one. Sometimes it's the tricky one. Sometimes I'll get lucky and it'll drop in place with no problem. There we go. just to make sure we are all the way down. Flip it over, check the center. Center seems to be good, and voila. Now, like I was saying, I like to be organized in the stuff I do. Whenever you do put your index marks all lined up, this is what you're looking for. That means all your clutch faces, your friction clutch faces are facing the same way. All right, y'all check out the videos in the description below. Y'all also check out the affiliate links. I'm Rogers with Reshart Ranch, Small Engine Repair. God loves you. He wants you to prosper. Now go be blessed.